Today I'll show you how I started with a $1,000 account with trading.com and made it all the way to stage 4. To date, I've successfully requested $4,800 in withdrawals, and now after stage 3 I'll be withdrawing not $5,600, which is the 70% profit split, but $11,280, simply because the robot I'm using in this account made more than 20% in gains by risking just 1%. This is sick. So with trading.com you can purchase an account and they give you as deposit more equity, and I started with a $1,000 account and they gave me 9 more, so the starting equity is $10,000. The only rule here is 10% drawdown limit, which you have to be careful with, and that's the maximum you can lose, and the profit target is 20%. Once you reach 20%, you increase your capital and you can withdraw your profit split. And now I reached the target of 20% for third time. So from stage 1 and stage 2, I requested $4,800 in total, or that is 80% of $2,000. It was $1,600 in stage 1. Then in stage 2, I got 80% of $4,000, which is $3,200. So I received $4,800, and now in stage 3, the profit split decreases to 70%. The target was $8,000. So if you achieve the target, you can request a profit split of $5,600, but the Forex Gold Investor, which is the expert advisor I'm trading in this account, achieved much more, and I'll bring it on the recording screen. I have it right in here, and you will see that my equity is $56,114.82. It is really unbelievable performance. If I show the account history, you'll see that just one loss last night after Monday opening, but before that there were plenty of profits, like really a lot of profits from the Forex Gold Investor. As a result, you can see that my profit is $22,197. My credits from trading.com is 36. Oh, that's the money they add to your account on top of the deposit. You can see the amount that I have withdrawn, but that could be a little bit confusing because it was for me at the beginning as well. You consider that as 40,000 starting capital. So in 40,000 starting capital, the current equity is $56,114, which means that my profit is actually $16,114.82, and 70% of that is $11,280 profit, plus the $4,800 that I already requested. It is a profit of above $16,000, and I literally invested $1,000, guys, and it's been a few months to achieve it, but the Forex Gold Investor did it. Just in stage 1, if you've been following my channel, I used one of the prop firm EAs from the prop firm robot app, but then I switched to the Forex Gold Investor, and since this time I've been trading it fully automatically in the account. And here comes the greed in algo trading, and with expert advisors we're supposed to remove the emotions and to leave it all to the expert advisor. However, today is the 14th of April, and if I want really to withdraw this $11,280, I should turn off the algo trading and wait until the end of the month. Then I'll be able to request the withdrawal and I will get to the next stage. Or I can continue trading, and there are 2 possible outcomes. If I make more money, I'll be able to withdraw more profits at the end of the month. If I lose my profit, then I'll be getting nothing. And which one do you think I'll pick? Please leave a comment down below the video. It's just interesting for me to see if you my subscriber know me well already. Of course, I will disable the algo trading the way it is right now, and I have disabled it this morning after I saw the profits in this account. Because if the Forex Gold Investor for some reason makes a loss, and you can see that there was a loss a little bit earlier this month, it went to 43k, it dropped to 39, and then boom, here was the great profit. But there is no guarantee that it will not hit the 10% drawdown, even though in the inputs there is max daily drawdown in percentage and max equity drawdown in percentage, and I usually keep it here to 9% just to make sure that it will stop if such losses occur. And I actually updated the EA early this morning to the latest versions, and I haven't placed the max equity drawdown simply because I decided to disable the algo trading and not to risk these profits. And let me show you some more results from the Forex Gold Investor, because it did just great. That's the result of my live trading account, where I started with $3,000, and you can see a very similar performance in the last few days. It nearly doubled the account, $2,700, and that's a live account, guys. If I show you the stats, you will see that average monthly return is 35.5%, and it's been trading for 2 months. The profit factor is above 2, and I have this live account on the same VPS. If I show it to you right in here, you will see that it's a live account, and you will see what the profit is in the account, what's the deposit, and the current balance. I have it on the X account, where it made above 50%. The initial balance, as you know, with X is 100k. It's right in here, and now I have a balance of $153,000, which is just unbelievable. But the most profit I can get from trading.com, because of their staging and profit split structure, and because the Forex Gold Investor reached the 20% target for third time, and this time even more than what they want. And if you want to learn more about the Forex Gold Investor, check out this video on my side. And until then, don't forget to trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.